There's hardly a day when something interesting doesn't happen in the crypto world. So hello everyone and welcome back to Coinmonks. This is Shambhavi bearing interesting breakings from around the crypto world. Starting up with the headlines. Crypto.com reveals in principle approval from Monetary Authority of Singapore. Qatar Central Bank Foundation stage of issuing CBDC, says Governor. Binance US starts offering zero-fee trading, and eBay acquires NFT marketplace KnownOrigin. To begin with, one of the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency platform, Crypto.com is planning to strengthen its roots in Singapore. The platform announced today that they have received in-principle approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore regarding its major payment institution license. The approval of the same will allow Crypto.com to offer a variety of payment services within the Payment Services Act, including the Digital Payment Token (DPT) services to customers in Singapore. The co-founder and CEO of Crypto.com, Chris Mazalek, the Monetary Authority of Singapore sets a high regulatory bar that cultivates innovation while protecting consumers. And their in-principle approval of our application reflects the trusted and secure platform we have worked diligently to build. He further says that he is looking forward to collaborating with MAS as the market in Singapore for fintech innovation is known for its well-regulated business environment. Next up, Qatar Central Bank is the latest monetary authority to express interest in issuing the central bank digital currency. According to the central bank's governor, Sheikh Bandar bin Mohammed bin Saud Al Thani, QCBAC is in the foundation stage of and in working on finding right technology and platform. The governor was speaking at the Qatar Economic Forum on a session called the Inflation Test. The QCB governor stated that many central banks are now considering issuing CBDC, and Qatar Bank is not an exception of that. He added that they are currently evaluating the pros and cons of issuing CBDC. Commenting on the potential of digital currencies, the governor said digital currency are a technological innovation that ushers in a new era of fast, cheap, and more accessible financial services. He further added that crypto assets are not underlined by monetary authority might provide less credible. According to the latest Bank of International Settlement report, 90% of central banks surveyed recently are doing some form of work on wholesale or retail CBDCs. The Atlantic Council states at present 105 countries representing over 95% of the global GDP are exploring a CBDC. As many as 10 countries have fully launched a digital currency, while 19 of the G20 countries are exploring a CBDC. Another Middle Eastern country, the United Arab Emirates, launched its CBDC track as a part of its 2023 and 2026 tech strategy last year. And now moving on to our next update. Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, US, is now providing zero-fee trading with spot Bitcoin pairs. Since our founding, we have become well known for our incredibly low fees. Brian Schroeder, the CEO of Binance US, said in an interview, "Trading with no fees is something we want to do because we can. This will increase user satisfaction and attract new users. Additionally, users are free to use the over-the-counter portal and convert funds between different cryptocurrencies without paying any fees. However, customers of the platform will still pay a 0.5% fee while using the buy crypto feature. The action will put additional stress on other cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase Global Inc. to reduce their fees. As competition intensifies, Wall Street analysts including Dan Dolev of Mizuho Securities have predicted that Coinbase will have to lower fees. Around 11:40 am ET, it was noted that shares of Coinbase were down more than 6%. Robinhood initially dropped but has since recovered, last falling by less than 1%. According to Brian Schroeder, the CEO of Binance US, as an established leader on low-fee trading, we are excited to be the first US crypto exchange to eliminate spot trading fees on numerous Bitcoin pair trades for all users. And now winding up with one last coverage for today. eBay Inc. has procured KnownOrigin, a non-fungible token marketplace expanding the e-commerce company's foray into Bitcoin technology and digital collectibles and trinkets. Both companies said that the agreement was signed and officially closed on Wednesday, but neither disclosed any additional information about the transaction, such as the purchase price. Utilizing technology and platform of KnownOrigin, artists can create actual one-of-a-kind unique digital artifacts known as NFTs. With this acquisition, one of the top online marketplaces for collaborations will usher in a new era of digital collection market. This represents an important step in eBay's tech-driven revisitation. KnownOrigin, which was founded in Manchester, UK in 2018, will help creators and collectors to now create, buy and resell NFTs through blockchain-enabled transactions. According to the co-founder of KnownOrigin, David Moore, as attention in NFT keeps growing, we genuinely think now is the ideal time for us to collaborate with a company that has the reach and experience of eBay. He added that KnownOrigin is the perfect addition to the marketplace for sellers and buyers because it has amassed an impressive, adherent and devoted group of collectors and artists. We're excited to welcome these innovators as they join the eBay community, says the statement. So with this, we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any recommendations or opinions, do let us know in the comment sections below. Also, do join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorial, do visit our blog which is linked right below. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.